I played Minecraft for a very long time, and I was really bad at making redstone builds. But about 3 years ago, I tried using redstone to make logic circuits, and I had a lot of fun doing so. And so one day, I decided that I want to build something a bit more interesting. And so with almost no knowledge of how computers work, and with very limited redstone experience, I tried to build myself a working CPU in vanilla Minecraft, without doing almost any research on the matter, and so, after more than a year of work and 3 prototypes later, I built something. This is a CPU built in vanilla Minecraft using only redstone. In this video, I'll walk you through how the CPU works, just the front end though, not the redstone behind it. And then I'll show you a few examples of what this thing can do. Let's start with the front panel. On the left of the panel, there is a kind of a console, used for writing programs and values into the RAM using the levers on top to write the line of code and the buttons on the left to select the line to write the code in. Every line is divided into 2 halves. The left one is the action that the CPU is supposed to perform. The right half is the value of the action. For example, action load, value 7. This will load the number 7 into the CPU's accumulator. Let's write in a code for simple addition of 2 numbers. So, load 25, add 75, display end. This will add 25 and 75 together, display the result, and then end the program. Next up, we need to turn the PC on using the on-off button in the middle. And now, we can activate the program using the other button in the middle and let the CPU do the rest of the work. You can also keep an eye on some of the other informational panels. For example, the left yellow one shows which line of the code is currently being processed. This blue one on the bottom shows us the current value stored in the accumulator. This one under the activation button shows us which cycle is the CPU in. The cycles are fetch, decode and execute. And the one on the upper right is the display, which will show us the result. And that is our result. As you can see, the displayed value is 100. You can also write the code into an external drive and then program the reinstall action into the CPU to override it with the code in the drive. And the last feature, you can also connect a CPU to another CPU and send values between them. Okay, now that I explained everything important, let's run a few programs. This CPU is very easy to reprogram, so there are many different programs you can try on it. I will surely upload this word and a manual on how to use the CPU. Links should be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and have a wonderful rest of your day.